Today we're going to be answering our first batch of questions, so let's get started. From Nathan Shirk Real Estate, can you do pet shoots? Yes, we can. With the studio, we have 800 square feet for your little guy to hang out in, but we also can come to you. A wide variety of our productions take place on location, and we're equipped to travel to your home or office. Let us know what you're thinking so we can help. Susie Sells St. Pete asks, do you shoot real estate listings, video, and drone? Yes, we do. We actually own our own drone and are licensed and insured. We fly regularly and we're up to speed with all the FAA laws and regulations. For real estate listings, we also do video as well. STM Productions asks, do you have green and orange backdrops? We do not, but we have a great relationship with a local rental house and can get those colors same day if needed. The lights in our grid do color match, so we have a full color palette to play with. Sarah Hope, did you envision your company growing as big and as quickly as it did? It was always a big goal of ours, and we're very fortunate to continue growing, and we're excited to see where we go next. The thing is, we have a team that is great, and they love what they do, and they're good at it. So that just helps make it fun and exciting every day. This is something that we have to give a lot of credit to. Both my wife, Brittany, and I graduated from Florida State back in 2012. And going to school helped us tremendously. A popular sentiment nowadays is school isn't necessary, but we think different. Now, we agree school is not always needed, but people really should consider higher education. You learn a lot about yourself, and going to FSU helped us. We want to hear from you, so ask us about production, editing, how-tos, and we'll choose a few to answer on the next round.